Hi, I'm going to teach you to do a photosynthesis experiment. So what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is a process. Green leaves use sunlight to make foods from carbon dioxide and water. This process also releases oxygen. I'm going to teach you how to do the photosynthesis experiment now. You do this experiment with adult supervision and avoid the poisonous leaves. Here I went out and picked leaves. If you're doing this in the winter, you can get evergreen leaves. Then you should have 2 jars of water. 1 jar will be in the dark, 1 jar will be in the light. I labeled them. If you want to, label them too. Now, step 2. Put the leaves into the water. Make sure to put a leaf in every one. You can pick as many or as less leaves as you want. You don't need to use all the leaves that you picked. You should end up with bubbles in the light jar. You could put the dark jar in a closet, a place that has no contact to sunlight. Now let's look at the experiment results. This is the light jar after being exposed 6 hours in the light. You can see bubbles on the leaves. This is the dark jar, which was left in a dark space. You cannot see any bubbles. Now, the big leaves, they have very little bubbles, but the evergreens, they have a lot of bubbles. My hypothesis is that the evergreens need stronger photosynthesis to survive the winter. Bye.